Hey everyone.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to take your taste buds on a sweet ride. Literally, we're making something super delicious and oh so tempting, sweet corn chaat. But not just any sweet corn, my friends. We're going to whip up 3 fantastic flavors: American butter, masala, and cheese. Are you ready to drool? Let's dive in. First things first, let's gather our goodies. Here's what you'll need. Sweet corn, of course. Butter, American style, baby. A mix of spices for the masala flavor. Lots of cheese, because why not? Lemon, chaat masala, fresh coriander for that perfect garnish. And don't forget the green chilies if you like a kick. I've got my sweet corn here, and look at this color. So vibrant, right? Now you can use fresh corn or canned, whatever floats your boat. Let's start by boiling our sweet corn. Just pop them in some boiling water for about 5-7 minutes until they're nice and tender. While that's happening, we can prepare the 3 flavors. For the American butter flavor, I'm melting some butter, can you smell that? And mixing it with a sprinkle of salt and a squeeze of lemon. Trust me, you'll want to bathe your corn in this goodness. For the masala flavor, I've got some garam masala, red chili powder, and a pinch of cumin. Mixing that with some butter makes it irresistible. Your kitchen is going to smell heavenly. And for the cheese flavor, I'm going in with a generous handful of grated cheese. Mix it with some butter, and let's be honest, more cheese is always better. Alright, our corn is perfectly cooked. Now comes the fun part, layering these flavors. Look at that butter, so creamy. And the spices just make it pop. I'm pouring the butter mixture over the corn, then the masala mixture, and finally the cheesy goodness. Don't forget the chaat masala for that extra zing and a sprinkle of fresh coriander to garnish. Can you imagine the explosion of flavors that's about to happen? Now that we have our corn chaat ready, it's time for the moment of truth. Which flavor should I try first? The American butter is pure comfort, so rich and creamy. The masala flavor is a delightful dance of spices, warming you up with each bite. And the cheese flavor? Oh, my taste buds are dancing. It's gooey, cheesy heaven. This sweet corn chaat is everything I promised it to be and more. You've got to try this at home. Until next time, keep those taste buds excited and your kitchen adventure filled.